This is a non-techie review of the Dji OM handheld gimbal. So this is a stabilizer for your smartphone. It's compatible with iPhones or Androids, and we have been using it with an iPhone device. So we are content creators, so we're always filming stuff for social media on our phone. So it's really nice to have this device to capture us when one of us is not here to film for another. It can actually turn on and track you, which is really interesting. So it is able to shoot in, the standard vertical mode, or you can press this button twice and it will switch to a horizontal mode. So this can get some really nice, smooth gliding shots, which is really helpful when you're trying to get like some cinematic footage. So you can download the app on your phone, and there's a bunch of different options that come with the app, like where it can track you and follow you around. You can rack focus on certain objects, and it's really useful if you're filming by yourself. It comes with this nice tripod, which is like an extender, but also it's a great way to, put it down quickly on a table or something like that if you're on the go. So the reason why I bought this gimbal was because it comes with like a magnetic attachment. So it's really easy to connect it to this device. It comes with two different ways that you can connect your phone to it. One is a little bracket that goes onto your phone. You can go onto your phone like this, and then it just magnetizes on like that. And it's really easy to level it. All you have to do is press the button and it pretty much does it for you. There's no balancing on this gimbal, which I really like. It does it for you. If it doesn't look level, that means you didn't put it on your phone correctly. It also comes with a magnet that you can stick on the back of your phone. I haven't used this yet, but it's also a ring, which you can put it on your back of your phone and use it to like hold your phone. That's why I bought this. I did not want to deal with balancing a gimbal. So I really like that. If you have your phone on correctly here, it's going to work. So if you guys are content creators or you just use your phone a lot, you film yourself a lot, this would be really handy for you, and I definitely recommend